Today we're going to go over some simple use of the pen tool. So the pen tool is this tool right here in the toolbox. You can access it also by hitting P on the keyboard. So no matter what tool I'm in, if I hit P on the keyboard, it'll automatically change to the pen tool. The pen tool, if I click and hold on it, you will see there are some other tools inside this tool set right here. If you don't see these other tools added, then you need to go to the top of your screen and you have to go to Window, and you're going to go to Toolbars, and you want to make sure you are on Advanced. Okay, so the pen tool, I'll go and grab the pen tool. Works a couple ways. Normally you would think that if you're using a pen or a brush you would be clicking and dragging, but the pen tool does not really work that way. To draw a line, and a straight line, we're just going to click once, and that creates an anchor point. And now it gives you kind of a blue guideline to tell you where the line is going to go. So when I click again, it has now drawn the line, a straight line, from this point to the next point along the way. And if I continue to click around my screen, you can draw a bunch of straight lines this way. If I go all the way around and I close the shape up on itself, you will see a little circle appear next to the pen tool. You have to be pretty precise to close the object sometimes, and that little circle means the object is going to close. Once you close the object, you can go on and draw another shape. Now, if you want to draw a shape that's going to be left open, let's say I just draw a kind of like a U shape here, but I do not want to close this back up. I want to leave it like this and go on and draw another shape next to it. What I would have to do then is use my selection tool to click away from it, and then I can go back and get my pen tool, and then I can draw the next line. A quick way to do that is holding the Command key or Control key if you're on a PC, and if you hold the key on the keyboard, right now I'm holding the Command key, it is switching to the last selection tool I used. So I can hold the Command and then click away, and then when I let go of Command, it goes back to the pen tool. So if I want to draw a series of straight lines next to each other, I would click and then click again, and then I would hold Command and click away. So I click again, hold Command to click away, and then I click and click again, hold Command to click away. So that is how to draw some straight lines. Another thing about straight lines with the pen tool is if you hold the Shift key, the Shift, is a constraining tool. So if I want to draw a perfectly vertical line, I might have a hard time gauging that on my screen if I don't have my guides on. So a way you could do that is holding the Shift key, and the Shift key will constrain it right to that line. If you have your guides on, and to access my guides, I go to View, and I will go down to Smart Guides, which is Command U. It will lock in. You'll kind of feel it snap too, and you can see those pink lines popping up on my screen right now, and it kind of assists you in that. If you want to get to a 45-degree angle, holding Shift will also help you get to that. So if I want to draw a 45-degree angle zigzag, that's what the Shift key does. It's a constraining tool. Okay, so Shift key keeps everything in a straight line. So that is how you draw straight lines in a pen tool. I have a separate lesson coming up on how to draw curved lines with the pen tool.